Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write complete Independence Day anchoring script. This script is useful for the Independence Day celebration in your school, college or any other institute in general. I have written this script for 2 anchors. However, if you wish, only one anchor can continue with all the lines in the script. I have written this script according to the agenda of programs that generally are scheduled in an Independence Day celebration. You can modify the script according to your agenda of programs. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Anchor 1. Freedom in mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. Good morning, everyone. Anchor 2. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a very special occasion, the Independence Day of our country. Anchor 1. Yes, on this day we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and celebrate the freedom they have given us. Anchor 2. Let's begin our celebration with the hoisting of our national flag. I request our principal sir to do the honors. Flag hoisting and national anthem. After this, Anchor 1 will continue. Thank you. Here, say the name of your principal. Now, let's move on to our next segment, the welcome speech by our principal sir. Here, you can invite principal sir to the podium by saying your own words like, now I would request our principal sir to inspire us with his valuable words. Please, sir. After this, principal's speech. 2. Thank you, Principal Sir, for those inspiring words. Anchor 1. Now, it's time for some cultural performances. Our students have worked hard to prepare these performances. First, let's enjoy a patriotic song by the school choir. After this, the patriotic song performance will take place. Anchor 2. That was beautiful. Thank you to our choir for that soulful performance. Anchor 1. Next, we have a dance performance that represents the diversity and unity of our country. After this, the dance performance will take place. Anchor 2. Wow, that was amazing. Our students have truly showcased the spirit of India. Anchor 1. Now, let's hear a speech by one of our students on the importance of Independence Day. I would like to take the name of the student who is going to deliver the speech to the podium to deliver a speech on the importance of Independence Day. Anchor 2. Thank you for that wonderful speech. It reminds us of how fortunate we are to live in a free country. 1. Up next, we have a short skit on the freedom struggle by our drama club. After this, the skit performance will take place. Anchor 2. That was very touching. Let's give a big round of applause to our drama club for that excellent performance. Anchor 1. And with that, we conclude today's Independence Day celebration. Both anchors, thank you and Jai Hind. Anchor 2, please join us for some refreshments outside the auditorium. Anchor 1, have a great day, everyone.